Welcome to this explainer. Look, right now there's a massive paradigm shift happening, and it's fundamentally reshaping global security right under our noses. We are literally witnessing the dawn of AI-driven cyber warfare. But before we really get into the mechanics of this completely invisible battlefield, we've got to address a dangerously common misconception. You've probably heard people say, "Oh, AI in cybersecurity is just automation." Well, let's toss that idea out immediately. AI is not just taking traditional hacking and putting it on a faster treadmill, It's not just a smarter tool for the exact same old job. What we're actually looking at is a transformation of cyber warfare into a planetary-scale operational competition, and it's entirely driven by autonomous systems. So let's dive into Section 1, the new era of cyber, from human to machine speed.
For years, nation-state operations relied on manual, human-speed espionage. It took painstaking human effort to steal intelligence, map out networks, and crack identity systems. It was a slow burn. But AI completely strips away that human bottleneck. We are officially crossing into machine speed. We're talking about autonomous attacks and industrial-scale capabilities that drastically, and I mean drastically, increase the speed and the adaptability of a breach. Moving on to Section 2, automating the attack, expanding the arsenal.
Nation-states are actively weaponizing this technology right now to build a terrifying new arsenal. Attackers can deploy AI for continuous, autonomous reconnaissance. This means analyzing global software fingerprints and cloud configurations 24/7 without ever experiencing human fatigue. Add to that highly personalized phishing with flawless professional context, synthetic media, and, maybe the most dangerous of all, adaptive malware. This is malicious code that actively analyzes a target's security tools and literally morphs to evade detection on the fly. It's wild.
All right, Section 3, Machine Speed Autonomous Conflict, the Silent War.
This brings us to what we call machine speed operations. This is when autonomous AI systems identify vulnerabilities, prioritize targets, and coordinate exploits in real time, completely independent of human input. The attacker isn't some person sitting at a keyboard in a dark room waiting to pull the trigger anymore. The system is programmed with a goal, and it hunts and executes that goal all on its own.
Now, naturally, defense has to evolve if we want to survive this. So, AI offensive systems that use adaptive attack paths are now actively colliding with AI defensive systems that utilize behavioral analytics and machine speed coordination. Think about what that means. The future of cyber warfare isn't human versus human anymore. It's AI clashing with other AI in milliseconds, battling at speeds far, far beyond human comprehension.
That leads us to Section 4, critical infrastructure and ecosystems, the real-world impact.
Because here's the thing. This machine-level conflict is spilling directly out of the digital realm and into our physical lives. Think about energy grids, transportation systems, financial infrastructure, healthcare networks, supply chains. Modern societies are entirely dependent on these digital operational systems. So an AI-assisted attack here isn't just a data leak. It causes massive, paralyzing physical disruption. Cybersecurity is, for all intents and purposes, physical security now.
And the sheer scale of these attacks is magnified through supply chain compromises. It usually plays out in 3 steps. First, a seemingly minor software ecosystem or development pipeline gets breached. Second, that foothold is used to compromise a major cloud provider. And third, boom, you trigger a global cascade. By hitting just one operational dependency, attackers can create an ecosystem-level disaster that simultaneously impacts countless governments and organizations worldwide.
But the fallout isn't purely physical either. Deepfakes and synthetic media are being weaponized for high-volume influence campaigns. Just imagine fake executive communications, synthetic political speeches, and perfectly tailored AI-generated propaganda. It's psychological operations at an industrial scale, and it threatens the very fabric of digital trust that our society relies on every single day. Let's look at Section 5, the future of geopolitics, the invisible battleground.
To really grasp the magnitude of all this, we kind of have to zoom out historically. Think back to the 1940s. Industrial warfare depended heavily on factories and logistics. Then, by the 1990s, information warfare shifted the focus to communications and networks. Today, in the 2020s, AI cyber warfare relies on autonomous infrastructure, distributed inference systems, and huge GPU clusters. National geopolitical power now directly overlaps with digital operational capacity. Essentially, AI is the new strategic infrastructure.
Which actually leads us to a massive, totally unresolved problem. If an autonomous AI attacks, who do we blame? I mean, cyber warfare already struggles with attribution as it is, but with AI-generated attacks actively obscuring their own origin and intent, extreme attribution ambiguity just becomes the norm. If a government can't definitively prove who launched an attack, keeping geopolitical escalation under control becomes nearly impossible.
Complicating this whole mess even further is that the line between civilian and strategic infrastructure has basically vanished. Military targets used to be distinct, right? But today, cloud providers, social platforms, and telecom networks act as both everyday civilian utilities and highly strategic military-grade operational ecosystems. It's all blurred together.
So what is the actual reality we live in today? Well, we are in a state of continuous, low-level machine conflict happening invisibly across our digital ecosystems right now. We have to forget about those isolated hacking incidents that occasionally make the evening news. We've officially entered an era of planetary-scale operational competition where systems are probing and adapting 24/7.
This transformation is going to reshape global security for decades to come. Because AI amplifies both offense and defense, the stability of our societies now depends entirely on building truly resilient, AI-native infrastructure. So I'll leave you with this to think about. Are we really ready to secure our future against continuous, invisible machine-speed warfare? Because the silent war has already begun, and we are only just realizing that we're standing right in the middle of the battlefield.